Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of legally changing your name in the state of Georgia. So, whether you're changing it for marriage, divorce, personal reasons, we'll cover all the steps you need to take, as well as all the documentation you need to fill in. So, let's get started. Now, it's important to know that the information provided in this video is for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I'm not a legal representative or an attorney. For specific legal concerns or questions, please consult a qualified legal professional. Right? Let's get into this video. The first step is to determine the reason for your name change. Some common reasons, as I mentioned before, may include marriage, divorce, or even a personal preference. Understanding your reasons can help you clarify the process that you need to follow. Next, you'll need to complete the necessary forms. Now, in Georgia, the primary form you'll need is the Petition for Change of Name. This form also has an NC1 name. You can find this form on the Georgia Courts website or at your local county courthouse. Here's what it includes. You'll need to fill in your current name, your proposed name, as well as, very importantly, your reason for change. Once you've completed the forms, it's time to file your petition at the local superior court. Here's what to keep in mind. First of all, there is a filing fee. This can vary by county. However, if you cannot afford this fee, you can apply for a fee waiver. The next thing to consider is that you need to make sure to file in the county where you reside. All right, let's publish the name change. In Georgia, you are generally required to publish your name change in a local newspaper. Here's how it works. First of all, you'll need to select a newspaper that is approved by the court. The publication must be in the county where you filed your petition. The notice must run for a specific period. This period usually is once a week for a 4 consecutive week period. After filing your petition and completing the publication requirements, you'll receive a court date for your hearing. It's important to attend this hearing as the judge will review your petition, and this is what you can expect. First of all, you'll need to present your case. Be prepared to explain all the details and the reason for your name change. The judge may ask you additional questions regarding your name change and to make sure that it's not for any fraudulent purposes. The next thing is that you may, in some cases, need a witness. This is to support your petition, especially if you're changing your name for reasons related to gender transition or if there is a minor involved. The next thing you'll do is obtain your court order. Once the judge approves your petition, you'll receive a court order granting your name change. Congratulations. The next step is to make sure that this document is safe because you'll need it for the next few steps. The last thing you'll need to now do is, with your court order, update all your identification records. Here's what you can do. Your Social Security Administration, your Department of Driver Services, bank and financial institutions, and any other important documents. This may include medical records, insurance policies, and even your passport. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can show your support by dropping us a like, and we'll see you next time.